Hey guys, I'm back here. So today we are going to service my Gens 356AUM. Well, it's a nice cube, you know. I haven't played my speedcube for a very long time. And yeah, it's pretty rough. As you can see, this cube is pretty rough. Well, those stickers are not good anymore, but it still works. Yeah. Also, I lost my lube, so I need to service it with another lube. So I need to clean my cube and put this Chinese lube or whatever it is. Well, I'm going to buy a new lube soon, just not now, because it's pretty far away from me, the shop. My fastener is still here. I mean my tensioner, all my springs. Yeah, I need to adjust those strings that is in here. Yeah, maybe. Or just change them. As you can see, this is my other cube, Vogue 3, my cheap cube, which costs only like about $1. Yeah, very cool, right? $1 cube. And yeah, all of this here needs service. So yeah, we're going to study soon. So firstly, I may open this cube or just wipe them from here, or we'll just disassemble all of it. Well, yeah, with a normal tissue, of course. Let's see, will it work like this? Well, yeah, it should work because it's dried. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, I cleaned my cube pretty much, like no more stains, no more nothing, just clean. Yeah, it's free of oil. Well, maybe a little bit, but it's fine. And look at my tissue, it's so gross. Like it's not wet, but imagine if it was wet. There's like so many stains here, dirty substances from this cube. Yeah. Well, let's see what happened if we put this lube into this cube. I hope it will not corrode or breaks or whatever. Yeah, Chinese lube. Also, this costs like $2. Yeah, $2 lube. Well, let's just see. Oops, that's quite a bit. Oh yeah. Let's put a bit here. Yeah, where do I put there? Should put here. Oh, I hope it won't break. Yeah, it's quite smooth. But it's sticky. Oh my god. So yeah, the cube, my GAN is pretty much tuned. Yeah, that's too fast. Yeah, it's running smooth. I'm going to pop the caps real quick. Oh yeah, by the way, what do you guys think about my purple spring? Do you think I need to change it to like the blue spring? I have a whole set of springs here. Yeah. What do you think? Should I change it to the blue one? I know it's good. This spring is good. But yeah, this is what came from this cube, the purple one. Comment down below and tell me what should I do with those springs, and yeah, should I change them? So yeah, let's pop this orange cape, and lastly the blue one. So yeah, I'm going to play this for you. I haven't played my cube for like months or even years, but I think months. Yeah, let's see. I know I'm slow. Don't laugh at me. I forgot like everything. I haven't played this for a very long time. Yeah, I forgot that. Yeah, that's quite dumb, yeah. Yeah, still good, but yeah, I'm pretty solid now. I'm so slow, but yeah. So, yeah, that's my other cube. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I post like any kind of videos that I make. So yeah, hit the notification button. Comment down below and tell me what you think about all of these things. Bye guys. See you guys later.